Welcome to page 9. On page 9, we're going to be calculating tip and final cost. Once again, we'll be using a tape diagram and adding on to that tape diagram. And we're going to be using the formula R times T equals P to calculate the tip. You have to complete problems 4, 5, and 6. A typical tip in a restaurant runs about 15% or 15 cents for every dollar spent. Sometimes people leave a 20% tip, a little bit more generous, and sometimes they might leave an 18% tip. We're going to work on problem number 6, where an 18% tip has been left. Take out your notebooks. Make sure you record this information in your notebooks. Pause the video if you need time to catch up. Let's take a look at problem number 6. Calculate an 18% tip on $24 and find the final cost with the tip included. Let's begin. Draw a tape diagram which represents the cost of your meal. A total of $24. That represents your total in dollars, but 100% represents the total in terms of a percentage. Now, a tip gets added on to that. So we're going to take the cost and add on a tip. We don't know right now how much we should tip our server, but we do know we're going to tip at a rate of 18%. If you take the cost of the meal plus the tip, that gives you a final cost we can figure out if we're paying for our food at 100%, adding an 18% tip, our final cost is at a rate of 118%. Let's convert each of our percentages to a rate. Scoop twice, which means for our tip, we're paying at a rate of 0.18, 18 hundredths, or 18 cents for every dollar spent. Okay, so our first task, find the tip, and this will be our rate, our letter R, that we're going to use in our formula. Here we go. Jot down the formula R times T equals P. We know it's 18 hundredths times $24, or 18 cents for every dollar. Take a moment, punch that into your calculator, and calculate the tip. You should have gotten $4.32. That's your tip. Now, take your $24, add the tip to it to get the final cost. And by the way, over here, we can write $4.32 on the line for our tip, for our server, and then add that tip to our cost. Your final cost, $28.32. Now, using the same process, continue on your own and complete problem 4 and problem 5. When you're done, check your work against the answer key. This concludes page 9.